Anyway, Jamie, we are going to walk down to the office and see if they're there. They said they would be at 10 o'clock. Ow!
I thought you had that thing. I thought you needed to clean my car off.
That's why I just opened the car back up. Well, I'll do it later. I promise you I'll do your windscreen. Yours ain't down anyway. So, excuse me. Oops. I'm not going to do your windscreen today. It's too cold. Tell the camera what you were thinking of doing today or last night. Driving back to Tyler to see your old basketball girls, and I just told her I would have stolen her car keys.
Because it's senior night.
Oh, he's cracking under us. You're so heavy. Oh. And I'm just going to quickly show you the roads and show you that the roads are exactly the same as the apartment. You can tell they're not used to this kind of weather. I went out yesterday to Target and there was nobody on the road, so it was actually safe because nobody else was stupid enough to drive. But the road is sheer ice, too. We can go down this way and go in the gate at the bottom. Okay. No, let's go inside the apartment complex. No, okay. Okay, Jamie wants to go down here, I can tell. That's not the good slidey stuff, Jamie. That's got the snow on top. There you go. There you go.
This is perfect kind of weather for people with lazy feet.
Yeah, until they hit a dry patch, then they're gone. These little yellow stubs are usually 2 inches off the floor. So you can see how thick the ice is. It's amazing. I've never seen the effects of an ice storm. And this is it. The whole world becomes a skating rink. In England, there'd be 1,000 kids doing 50-yard slides down the road. Because maybe not. You what? You don't need a hill to slide. You just take a run up and just let yourself go. I don't have any good slidey shoes, or I'd probably be doing the same thing. Because you could slide forever on here. I mean forever. So this is what it's like to live in Canada for 9 months of the year. It's kind of cool for a couple of days.
Oh, because we're students that used to live in Canada.
Well, ask them about this and how it compares. She's braving it. She's going a bit too fast too. Because once it goes, it's all going to go.
And you can't really put on your brakes, huh?
No, it wouldn't be a good idea. You apply them very, very slowly. I don't know if you can see the main road down there. There are cars and trucks moving, but pretty slowly. We're going to walk down there and have a look. I'm walking on the little bit of snow that we have because it's much easier and safer. But it is sheer ice. Ooh, Jamie decided to walk off fast instead of doing it slowly. And
Give me a second.
yeah, she actually braced herself pretty well.
No, I didn't.
Well, yeah, trust me, you did a little bit. She didn't slow down getting off the curb. She won't let me. You want me to help? How about you stay on the snow? We gotta go down. How you doing? Don't know if I got the fall on camera. Don't know. But down goes Ryland. Welcome to Ice, Jamie. Another very slow moving vehicle. Because you have to put your brakes on down here to stop. Because it's a really fast moving road usually. He's just slowly braking. You can see how slow the cars are moving on the road that they usually fly on.
That guy's not very fast. It's like this to me.
But I came down here and just drove in second gear all the way and let it just roll along on the engine speed. But this is the main road. It looks like they've gotten some salt on here, but it's still basically just ice. You can tell Dallas ain't really used to this kind of weather. It's the coldest in 20 years. There's some dry patches, but it's still huge blocks of ice, and he's going way too fast. Baby, get off. Baby, come away from the road, sweetie. Jamie, come away. I don't care. Come away from the road. Gosh. It's like I'm a 5-year-old with me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This car's coming, and she could slip over at any time, and she's on the edge of she's on the road. Mr. Sammy, you gotta talk to your old baby. That's a Tony Soprano face. I like that car. Is it a Rogue or a Murano?
Rogue.
I like the Rogue. I may have one of those one day. But your face kind of gets used to it after a while. Careful, ice. Alright, we will show you some stuff later. Bye.